There you go, Superbird fans. Beautiful Limelight 70 Plymouth Roadrunner Superbird here at Mecum Auctions 2024. Look at that bucket seat car, pistol grip, 4-speed hammer. Personally signed by Richard Petty. Very nicely executed. Beautiful restoration. Let's take a look in here. Yes, E86, 444 barrel, 4-speed. Lynch Road Plant, Michigan. It's the 69,450th unit off the line. Correct 956 radiator. Take a look here. Build sheet, original owner's manual. Track pack car, 354 Dana. Very nice car here, folks. And of course, all Superbirds came with the black vinyl top. With the plug. This car is very nice condition. It should do well today. Everybody wants a Hemi. Everybody wants a V-Code 446 pack. But you're looking at the 444 barrel, which is the most common. And that works for me. Gauze Garage, Mecum Auctions 2024. Thank you.